Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and welcome to my DietIQAI video review. DietIQAI. Build your AI-powered health business from scratch, no experience needed. Create and sell unlimited high-demand diet plans, recipes, health and fitness prompts. With full agency rights. No skills needed, just create, customize, and cash in instantly. Turn DietIQAI into your profit-making machine. Imagine owning a tool that works like a personal content factory, creating diet plans, recipes, fitness content, and marketing materials in just a few clicks. Now imagine being able to sell all of that under your own name and keep 100% of the profits. That's DietIQAI, your shortcut to financial freedom in the booming $7 trillion health and wellness market. You're not just buying an app, you're launching a business. DietIQAI isn't another AI toy. It's a real business in a box built to help you create, sell, and scale in one of the most profitable niches on earth: health, fitness, and nutrition. With the agency license included, you can create and sell unlimited custom diet plans to clients, generate and rebrand recipe ebooks for resale, offer social media content services to influencers and gyms, sell motivational scripts and fitness content packs on Fiverr or Etsy, build and sell PLR health bundles that others can rebrand too. Every feature in DietIQAI can be turned into a revenue stream. All-in-one features that do the work for you. Diet Plan Creator. Generate custom, high-quality diet plans in seconds for any goal, diet type, or duration. Whether it's keto, vegan, weight loss, or diabetic-friendly. Create plans that look professional and sell instantly. Recipe Generator. Never run out of food ideas again. Create endless recipe ideas, step-by-step instructions, and nutritional breakdowns, all tailored to your audience's preferences. Health and Fitness Prompt Generator. This is where the real magic happens. No need to be a prompt expert. DietIQAI gives you ready-made prompt templates for every niche and content type. Meal plan ideas, nutrition. Workout plan, fitness. Social media posts, marketing. Custom prompt creator. Recipe ideas, nutrition. Motivational scripts, content. Why DietIQAI is a goldmine for you. First to market AI for health and wellness. The only app designed to create, market, and sell fitness and nutrition content using AI. Built for money makers. Perfect for PLR sellers, freelancers, marketers, and health professionals. Agency license included. Sell diet plans, workouts, content packs, or prompt templates to unlimited clients. Zero experience needed. Just follow 3 simple steps to create bulk content and sell instantly. One-time investment, lifetime profit. Product creators, freelancers, and marketers are already making money by selling high-demand health and wellness content. Here's how marketers, freelancers, and product creators are already profiting. With similar high-demand health and wellness content. Freelancers. Offering personalized diet plans and workout guides on Fiverr and Upwork, earning $50 to $300 per project. Product creators. Selling recipe ebooks, meal plan bundles, and fitness guides online, making $500 to $5,000 per month. PLR marketers. Packaging ready-made content for resale, earning recurring income every month with minimal effort. Social media agencies. Selling done for you posts and motivational scripts to influencers, earning $200 plus per client per month. But now, imagine creating diet plans, recipes, workouts, social media posts, content, recipes, ebooks, and more instantly without hiring a team or spending hours creating content. Meet DietIQAI, the AI-powered profit machine built to create, package, and sell health and wellness content faster than ever before. Introducing the world's first AI-powered health, fitness and wellness content machine. Turn simple health and fitness prompts into profitable diet plans, recipes, workouts, and marketing content in seconds. The first of its kind AI tool that creates, sells, and scales your health empire. You've seen AI tools for content. You've seen AI tools for design. But now, for the first time ever, there's a complete AI powerhouse built exclusively for the health, fitness, and wellness industry. Meet DietIQAI, your all-in-one AI content creation and business launch platform. Whether you're a PLR seller, diet coach, fitness expert, marketer, or freelancer, this app gives you everything you need to create unlimited premium content, rebrand it, and sell it for 100% profits. Start your own health and fitness agency in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Choose a template. Access ready-made templates with diet plans, workouts, recipes, health and fitness prompts all in one place. Step 2. Customize with AI. Add your topic, goal, or preferences, and let DietIQAI generate 100% unique, high-quality content in seconds. Step 3. Sell and profit. Rebrand, resell, or package it as ebooks, client plans, or PLR products, and keep 100% of the profits. DietIQAI is not just another AI tool, it's your all-in-one business engine for creating, customizing, and selling health and wellness content. Every feature is designed to save you time, effort, and money while helping you scale your profits. Diet Plan Creator. Instantly generate personalized diet plans for any goal, diet type, or duration. Weight loss, muscle gain, vegan, keto, diabetic friendly, you name it. Customizable by preferences and key nutrients. Result: professionally designed diet plans ready to sell or deliver to clients in minutes. Recipe Generator. Create endless recipe ideas complete with step-by-step instructions and nutritional benefits. Quick meals, healthy snacks, smoothies, desserts, optimized for any diet type. Result: build recipe ebooks, meal guides, or content packs that sell effortlessly. Health and Fitness Prompt Generator with ready-made templates. No more struggling to write health and fitness prompts. Access hundreds of pre-built templates to create meal plan ideas, nutrition, workout plans, fitness, social media posts, marketing, motivational scripts, content, recipe ideas, nutrition, fully customizable health and fitness prompts. Agency license included. Sell unlimited content to clients or package it as PLR products. DietIQAI empowers you to scale your health and wellness business effortlessly. Time-saving automation. All heavy lifting is done for you, from content ideation to full creation. Save hours of work while producing professional-grade products ready to sell. For marketers, freelancers, and product creators. Perfect for anyone in the health, fitness, or wellness space who wants to monetize content, sell PLR packs, or grow their business online. Endless monetization possibilities. Use DietIQAI to sell diet plans, create recipe ebooks, offer social media content services, package motivational scripts, build PLR packs, launch a full-scale health agency. The health and wellness market never sleeps. The global wellness industry is worth over $7 trillion, and it's growing every single day. So friends, if you can buy this product, please check this video description.